Hello friends, today we are posting a new video in our ECnG channel. First of all, I want to brief some information about this technique, that this technique is not available in other institutions, government or private like Apollo, AIMS or Medanta. Many patients are asking me for this query because this technique is invented by us and it has not been imparted to other institutions yet. I'll just give a brief about me also. You can see my details in internet and other aspects. Then I have done my post-graduation from Army HOSPR&R in ENT, and after that I have worked for Apollo Hospital for around 4 to 5 years and other good hospitals. And then after a few years of working, I have got my own ENT practice, and we have invented this technique in 2019 as we have discussed earlier. And we have treated more than 300 patients, 350 patients or 400 patients I think now with a successful result. And today we are telling about a patient, Ms. Susmita, who is basically from Andhra Pradesh and staying in Bangalore. They contacted us after seeing my video on YouTube, and she was suffering from ear issues from last 8 months, and she visited us, stayed here for approximately 1 month, 1.5 months, and her issues have been solved now, and she's very happy. So she's Mrs. Susmita. You want to say something?
Yes. First of all, I would like to thank Dr.Ankur Gupta sir treating my eardrum issues without undergoing surgery. I suffered from 8 months hole in my eardrum. Because of the hole, my head is paining, full ringing sound. I'm very much depressed very lot. Then me and my husband found in Dr. Ankur Gupta sir in YouTube. Then we contacted him. Then we decided to come from Bangalore. Before coming, we inquired lot of hospitals, big hospitals. No, everywhere surgery. This technique is not available in any big hospital like Apollo, many hospitals. Then we decided for coming from long distance. I stayed in hostel 1.5 months. I decided to stay in hostel 1.5 months and treated my eardrum. My eardrum is full now, fully healed. I am very happy.
And you have kids at home, they are waiting for you. I think you will be going back.
Yes, sir.
And you want to give any message to other patients who are having holes so they don't get worried, and how was your experience seeing me treating other patients also? You have seen other patients also getting healed.
Every time while coming to hospital, so many people got healed. I am also very excited. Mind very easy.
And you want to say any message in Telugu to your people so that they can understand in a better way?
ఇది చాలా మంచి ప్రొసీజర్. సర్జరీ చాలా సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇది నో సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. ఈజీ. ఇయర్ నాది పర్ఫెక్ట్గా హీల్ అయిపోయింది. పర్ఫెక్ట్గా. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ నౌ. Sir, Dr. Ankur sir also, he is very good, genuine person. Whenever I am feeling homesick, I share with him. He is like my brother. He is very good person. He is very genuine also.
Thank you, Susmita. I think your family must be waiting for you have been here for 1.5 months. And I think her sacrifice and her trust in us proved us in a successful treatment. And I think we will be treating more patients from other cities, other countries also. And our treatment to the humanity will go on. So we'll try to help as much as people as we can. So patients get better. Thank you.